Hello, welcome to Sunday Morning Builds. This week we have the third Brickheadz in the Minecraft series of Brickheadz. This is set number 201 of the Brickhead collection Zombie, but for a Lego set it is 40626. As I said, this is the third one in the series. We had 199 Alex, we had number 200, which was the llama, and then we have zombie number 201. Now, this only comes with 81 pieces. Quite incredible. It's very, very small set. With the other Minecraft sets, I'm not expecting this to be anything of any great... oh, there's some sirens in the background if you can hear that. So I'm not expecting this set to be anything overly interesting in terms of technique, like the other two weren't. So fairly simple. I expect it to be a very quick build and then a very quick review as well. So I'll unpack it and let's get on with it. Welcome back. Well, that must have been a short speed build because it only took 7 minutes to complete, and I certainly wasn't rushing to complete it. 81 pieces, it was always going to be quick. Nothing special about this. It's a standard Brickheadz build. As you can see, maybe during the speed build if it wasn't too quick. Look, these Minecraft sets that Lego have brought out, as in Brickheadz form, are going to be great for beginners to learn different technique. Well, not to learn different techniques, but to learn the basic technique of a Brickhead build. So I'm not going to be too down on this. There's not much to it, and that goes on along with the character itself. There's not too much to it, so can't be expecting too much in the build. So with that said, I'm pretty much going to leave it there. 7 minutes, 81 pieces. It looks good. As always, Lego packaged these with pre-printed pieces. They're not stickers, which is always great. And look, it's a good-looking set added to the collection, but not much more to say other than that. So we'll leave it there for this week, and then next time I think we get into some Harry Potter, maybe some Star Wars. Got a few there to get through, so hopefully I will get a chance to start building on a more regular basis. Thanks for tuning in, and bye for now.